So the story of that ice is I defrosted I defrost our refrigerator, and then I closed the door, and then I gathered all the, the ice and place it here in this container, and then I I turned on the ref again and put it, and as I did that on purpose because I really want to have this cool air for my mama, and now we have it. See, it's really inside my head. It's in my mind. What if I didn't let it melt the ice that I got from the refrigerator when I defrosted? What if I didn't melt that? What if it didn't melt right away? I was able to catch most of it and then place it in a container and then freeze it again. So that's what happened here. Before it melted, I was able to face everything all together. So that's it. Mind you, I was able to speak thoroughly, and I was able to say something in front of the camera again after so many vlog posts, because I really want to see in the future what I look like, and I want to make a progress of what I do every day despite of my movement disability, despite of my movement disorder. I have X-linked dystonia Parkinsonism, and I have involuntary movements, and I have a painful body, but then it doesn't show in my face that I have this painful body right now. I think I have a high tolerance in pain. Okay.